Hey everybody, welcome to Global Exploration. Today we're taking you to Narang Mandi, a town in Punjab, Pakistan, where history, culture and nature come together. Just a stone's throw from Lahore and the India-Pakistan border, this hidden gem is far from your typical tourist trap. We're diving into its natural beauty, historical significance and cultural heritage. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to add Narang Mandi to your travel bucket list. So buckle up, because this journey will leave you inspired and ready to explore. Let's get started. Narang Mandi is stunning. Lush green fields, glistening rivers, and a serene charm that feels untouched by time. This small yet vibrant town in Punjab, Pakistan is a testament to nature's generosity and human harmony with the land. The agricultural abundance here is nothing short of breathtaking, a masterpiece painted by nature itself. The fields stretch endlessly, a patchwork of green and gold, nurtured by the rivers that weave life into the soil.
If you've ever enjoyed Pakistani basmati rice, you've tasted the essence of Narang Mandi. Known for its fragrant and long-grain rice, this region is a cornerstone of Pakistan's agricultural identity. The dedication of the farmers is evident in every grain. From planting to harvesting, the process is a labor of love passed down through generations. The rice paddies themselves are a sight to behold, their water-filled fields reflecting the sky like mirrors, creating a mesmerizing landscape.
But Narang Mandi isn't just about rice. The mango orchards here are legendary, producing some of the juiciest and most flavorful mangoes you'll ever taste. Citrus groves add a zesty vibrancy, while seasonal crops bring a dynamic rhythm to the land. Together they create a kaleidoscope of colors and flavors, a feast for the senses that changes with the seasons.
And the rivers? They're more than just lifelines for the crops. Imagine a tranquil boat ride, the gentle ripples of water soothing your soul. The breeze carries the scent of jasmine and marigolds, a natural perfume that lingers in the air, making every moment feel magical.
Beyond the grand landscapes, it's the little details that truly captivate. The sunlight filtering through the ancient banyan trees creates a dappled glow, a reminder of nature's quiet beauty. The symphony of birdsong fills the air, a melody that seems to echo the harmony of life here.
And the smells. Freshly harvested mangoes, their sweetness almost tangible, fill the markets with an irresistible aroma. The earthy scent of wet soil after monsoon rains is grounding, a reminder of the deep connection between the land and its people. And then there's the jasmine, blooming in abundance, its delicate fragrance weaving through the air like a gentle embrace.
Narang Mandi is more than a place, it's an experience. It's where you reconnect with nature, finding peace in its simplicity and beauty. It's a reminder of life's simple joys, where every moment feels like a celebration of the earth's bounty.
It's the epitome of farm-to-table living, nourishing not just your stomach but also your soul, leaving you with memories as rich as the land itself.
History buffs, rejoice. Narang Mandi has ancient secrets waiting to be uncovered. This small yet historically rich town in Punjab, Pakistan is a treasure trove for those who seek to connect with the past. Its ancient mounds and artifacts are not just remnants of history, they are windows into the lives, cultures and stories of civilizations long gone.
Near Alipur Siedan, ancient mounds whisper tales of a bygone era, possibly linked to Raja Rasalu, a legendary Punjabi figure. These mounds, shrouded in mystery, are believed to hold the secrets of a civilization that thrived centuries ago. The connection to Raja Rasalu adds a layer of intrigue, as his tales of valor and wisdom have been passed down through generations, becoming an integral part of Punjabi folklore.
Raja Rasalu, often referred to as the King Arthur of the East, is celebrated for his bravery and wisdom. His stories are not just legends, they are cultural treasures that continue to inspire and unite people. From his battles with mythical creatures to his wise judgments, Raja Rasalu's legacy is deeply woven into the fabric of the region's history and identity.
Standing on these mounds feels like stepping into history, with echoes of chariots and swords in the air. The very ground beneath your feet seems to hum with the energy of the past, as if the stories of those who once lived here are waiting to be told. It's a surreal experience, one that connects you to a time when life was simpler yet filled with its own complexities.
Archaeologists believe these mounds hold artifacts, pottery, coins, maybe even ruins of palaces, offering glimpses into an ancient civilization. These discoveries are not just objects, they are pieces of a larger narrative that help us understand how people lived, what they valued, and how they interacted with their environment. Each artifact is a clue, a fragment of a story that, when pieced together, paints a vivid picture of the past.
Each discovery is a piece of a giant puzzle, revealing how people lived, what they believed, and the stories they told. The pottery shards tell us about their daily lives, the coins speak of their economy, and the ruins hint at their architectural ingenuity. It's a painstaking process, but one that is immensely rewarding for those who dedicate their lives to uncovering these secrets.
Narang Mandi reminds us that history isn't just in books, it's beneath our feet, waiting to be unearthed. The work of archaeologists here is a testament to the importance of preserving our heritage. Every dig, every artifact unearthed, brings us closer to understanding the lives of those who came before us. It's a reminder that the past is not as distant as it seems. It lives on in the stories we uncover and the lessons we learned.
If ancient ruins and unraveling mysteries excite you, Narang Mandi offers an unparalleled opportunity to step into the shoes of an explorer. Imagine walking through the remnants of a once thriving civilization, piecing together its story one artifact at a time. It's an adventure that combines the thrill of discovery with the satisfaction of learning. Narang Mandi is your next destination. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an archaeologist, or simply someone with a curious mind, this town promises an experience that is as enriching as it is unforgettable. So pack your bags, bring your sense of wonder, and get ready to uncover the secrets of the past.
The heart of Narang Mandi lies in its people and their vibrant culture. This small yet lively town in Punjab is a treasure trove of traditions, where every street, every corner, and every face tells a story of resilience, joy, and togetherness. It's a place where the past and present blend seamlessly, creating a unique tapestry of life that is both timeless and dynamic.
It's a place where community thrives, doors are always open, and the warmth of the people is felt in every interaction. The essence of Narang Mandi lies in its ability to make everyone feel at home, whether you're a local or a visitor. The open doors symbolize more than just hospitality. They represent a way of life that values connection and kindness above all else. Strangers are welcomed with warm smiles, and friendships are formed over shared meals and heartfelt conversations. The people of Narang Mandi have a way of making you feel like you've always belonged. Even if it's your first visit, it's this spirit of inclusivity that makes the town so special.
Punjabi hospitality is legendary. It's not just about the food, though the food is undeniably a highlight. It's about the way you're treated, with genuine care and an eagerness to share the best of what they have. From the moment you step into a Punjabi home, you're treated like family. Be prepared for feasts that leave you stuffed, with dishes that are as rich in flavor as they are in tradition. From buttery parathas to spicy curries, every bite is a celebration of Punjab's culinary heritage. And it's not just about eating, it's about the joy of sharing a meal with others. And then there's the chai. Endless cups of steaming aromatic tea are shared as stories flow and laughter fills the air. It's a ritual that brings people together, a simple yet profound way of connecting and creating memories.
It's not just about the food, it's about the laughter, the connections, and the sense of belonging that comes with it. Meals in Narang Mandi are more than just sustenance. They're a celebration of life, love, and community. The close-knit community of Narang Mandi is its greatest strength. It's a place where everyone knows everyone, and where bonds are formed that last a lifetime. Whether it's a family gathering or a community event, the spirit of togetherness is always at the forefront.
And then there's the music and dance. The vibrant beats of the DHL and the energetic movements of traditional folk dances are a sight to behold. They're not just performances, they're expressions of joy, of culture, and of a deep connection to the land and its traditions. Punjabis know how to celebrate life. Every festival, every gathering is an explosion of colour, sound and energy. It's a reminder that life is meant to be lived fully and joyfully.
Picture the rhythmic beat of the DHL echoing through the streets, calling everyone to join in the celebration. The melody of the flute adds a soulful touch, weaving through the air like a gentle breeze. And the swirl of colourful dresses as people dance with infectious energy creates a scene that's nothing short of magical.
Narang Mandi is also a place of faith, with a mosque and church standing side by side, a testament to tolerance and coexistence. It's a powerful reminder that harmony is possible, even in a world that often feels divided.
It's a reminder that despite our differences, we're all connected by the shared human experience. In Narang Mandi, this connection is celebrated every day, in every smile, every handshake, and every shared moment.
Wondering how to get to Narang Mandi? It's easier than you think.
Connected by roads and railways, you can hop on a train from Lahore and be there in no time.
The Narang Mandi railway station is more than a transit point. It's a bustling hub of life.
Picture families bidding farewells, businessmen rushing, and maybe even a stray goat sneaking onto a train.
It's a chaotic yet exhilarating symphony of sights and sounds, reminding us that the journey is part of the adventure.
From Narang Mandi, you can explore nearby villages, visit Lahore's Mughal-era architecture, or simply relax and enjoy the slower pace of life.
And there you have it, Narang Mandi, a hidden gem in Pakistan waiting to be discovered. We've explored its natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture, proving it's a destination worth visiting, but this is just the beginning, and there's so much more to see and experience. Head to the official Narang Mandi website for travel guides, stunning photography, and connections to local tour operators. Plan your dream trip and read first-hand accounts from travelers who've experienced its magic. The website is your gateway to everything. Narang Mandi. Start planning your adventure today. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our virtual tour of Narang Mandi. If you're looking for a destination with natural beauty, history, culture, and adventure, Narang Mandi is the place to be. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Exploration for more hidden gems around the world. Until next time, keep exploring.